Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to draw a beautiful princess. Let's get our pencils ready and have fun drawing together. Let's start drawing our princess. First, draw a big, soft, curved line, like a gentle S shape. This will be part of her face. Take your time and make it smooth and nice. Awesome job! Now let's draw her beautiful hair. Start at the top of her head and draw a soft, wavy line. Go around the head to make her hairstyle nice and full. Make the line smooth and curvy, like fluffy hair. Look, her hair is all outlined now. Great job, everyone! Now let's make her look like a princess. Draw a crown right on top of her hair. Start with a curved line, then add 3 pointy tips. Don't forget a little oval shape in the middle for a shiny jewel. Nice and gentle. Now she has a beautiful princess crown. Now let's add her ear. Draw a small curved shape on the side of her head. Keep it simple and nice, just a little curve. Great job! Her ear is done. Now, let's add her eyebrow and finish her hair. Draw a soft little curve above her eye for the eyebrow. Then, complete her hair by adding smooth, flowing lines around her head. Make it nice and gentle. Beautiful! Her hair is all done. Now let's add her right eye and eyelash. Draw a big round eye on the right side. Then add a small dark circle inside for the pupil. Don't forget a tiny sparkle to make it shine. Now draw a few little lines on the side for her eyelashes. So pretty! Great job! Now let's add her left eye and eyelash. Draw another big round eye on the left side. Add a small dark circle inside for the pupil and a tiny sparkle. Then draw a few short lines on the side for her eyelashes. Awesome! Both eyes look beautiful. Now let's add her nose and mouth. Draw a tiny simple curve for her nose. Then add a soft, smiling line for her mouth. Keep it small and gentle. So cute! Her face is coming to life. Now let's add her shoulders and part of her dress. Draw 2 soft curved lines for her shoulders. Then add a gentle line across to make the top of her dress. Keep the lines smooth and simple. Great job! She's starting to look like a real princess. Now let's add her arms. Draw 2 curved lines coming down from her shoulders. Then bring the lines inward so her hands meet in the middle. Keep the lines soft and gentle. Great job! Her arms look so nice. Now let's add the outline of her dress. Starting from her waist, draw 2 big curved lines going down and out. Make the dress wide and flowy like a beautiful princess gown. Connect the bottom with a soft curved line. Nice and smooth. Wonderful! Her dress is taking shape. Now, let's add the folds on her dress. Draw a few long, gentle lines from the top of the skirt down to the bottom. These lines show the soft folds of the fabric. Keep them light and slightly curved, not too many. Beautiful! Her dress looks nice and flowy now. Great job drawing your princess. Now let's paint her together. First, let's color her hair. Use a bright yellow color and fill in her hair nicely. Next, color her crown with yellow too. And don't forget the little jewel in the middle. Use blue. Now let's paint her face and arms. Use a soft peach or light skin color. Time to color her dress. Use blue for the top part, nice and smooth. Then color the big skirt with pink. Fill it all in and make it bright and beautiful. Wow, look at your princess! She looks amazing! Great job, everyone! Wait a moment. Did you see that? Something magical is happening. Oh, wow! The princess is coming to life! Hello, little princess. Look, she's opening her eyes. Blink, blink. She's smiling at you. Can you wave hello to the princess? Oh, she's moving her hands and gently swaying like she's dancing. Her beautiful dress is shining. Sparkle, sparkle. She looks so happy because you drew her. Let's watch her dance. Twirl, twirl, and a little bounce. What a magical moment. Great job, little artist. You didn't just draw a princess, you brought her to life. Want more fun videos like this? Tap subscribe below for more fun!